Do you have a tire shop, rim shop, accessory shop, and you want to do something different? These are tire logos. You can put your logo on your business card right in the middle. This is a tire. You can have them on both sides, or you can have it in the middle. They come in two different sizes. You got the small ones, and you got the big ones. These go for $5, and these go for $10. You can have your logo on both sides, one side, your business card or whatever. So, let us know if you want to network. As you see, we got plenty in stock, plenty in stock. Hit us up at www.HogOnWelding.com. That's www.HogOnWelding.com for your custom business cards and logos. We're in the OKC area at Miss Curl's Signs and T-shirts. HogOn.